Hello, you're welcome to today's video. My name is Dennis. As you all know, here we talk about finance and personal growth, where we give you tips that will help you grow better, earn more money, and live well. And today's video, we'll actually be talking about a very interesting topic. We'll be talking about the things you need to know before you buy any crypto. All right, so the few things that you need to know, the few things you need to consider before you buy any crypto. Um, well, over the years, I remember back then getting new into crypto and all that. We had a whole lot of rock bulls and all that. Okay, before you know it, you make an investment of $100, only for you to sleep and wake up. You see your $100 is now a $1, even sometimes a 50 cent or nothing at all in most cases. So, in order to avoid such things, such occurrences, such incidents, and such events from happening to you, remember, first of all, as a crypto trader, your primary purpose or aim of trading is to make profit. That is, you are a businessman in crypto, all right, with the aim of making profit. Okay, so if that is your aim, then pay attention to all what we're going to discuss in this video, so that you'll be able to arm yourself with a knowledge of the things you need to look out for um, before you invest in any crypto, to avoid um, losing your fund, losing your money. All right. So as we continue, before we continue, please remember that if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so that you don't miss out on the amazing content that we drop here weekly. All right. So kindly do that if you've not, and remember to share, comment, and like this video. All right, so the first thing that you have to look out for before investing in any crypto is the market cap. The market cap, all right? So before putting your money into any crypto project, do well to do a personal research, and they call it DYO. Do your own research, okay? So do a personal research on it. Check out the market capitalization of that particular coin. All right. Sometimes it might be that um, before you want to invest, the demand in the market is already full, and then you put in your money. Investors are beginning to withdraw their fund and all that. Before you know it, you might be on a loss. All right, even though the price is going to retrace back later, you might be on a loss for a very long time. All right, which you wouldn't want to, because it's like tying up your fund and all that. So for you to invest in any crypto project, make sure that you do a due diligence on the market capitalization. Know if it is too high, and also know if it is too low, and then know the possible number of times that you're looking at in order to pull out your profit and all of that. So understanding the market capitalization of a particular coin will help you make a very good investment decision. Number two, you have to look out for the daily trading volume of that coin. All right, so you have to look out for the daily trading volume of that coin. For instance, now when we talk about trading volume, we're relating it to the total money that goes into that project within 24 hours. Within 24 hours, okay? So you have to look out for that. You have to look out for that, because any coin with low trading volume is likely not going to be profitable for a short time period. Okay, so if you're going for those with lower trading volume, then it means that you're looking at a long-time investment and all that, maybe a month or two and all that. When the market capitalization rises, then the trading volume is most likely going to rise, and that will give you a sufficient profit for that period of time. So you look at the trading volume before putting in your money into any crypto project. The other thing you look at too is the volatility. Volatility relates to the demand of the coin, how it quickly rises, and the rise and fall of prices of the asset. So you really need to consider the volatility of the coin before buying. All right, because for those who do spot trading, it is advisable that you go into those with high level of volatility, right, for maximum profit within a short period of time. But if you're doing future, then you try as much as you can with low margin, reduce the margin before you engage in coin with high level of volatility, so that it doesn't result into loss of fund, right? So the next thing you look at to is for the market supply. The market supply, this relates to the total volume of the coin that is being put out by the developer into the market. Sometimes coin can have 100 million uh, total supply, and then for that moment, and then you could have a market supply of, let's say, 50 million, 60 million, 70 million, or even 80 million. You look at the percentage of the one that is already in the market, and then relating it to those that are locked. Okay, now you look at the market supply before buying any crypto. So the next thing you need to look out for before investing in any crypto is the token utility. In token utility, we're talking about the usefulness of the coin that you want to buy, the usefulness of the token to the crypto ecosystem, to the crypto market in general. What could it be used for? Is it solving any problem? Is there any thing that it aimed at providing, or whatever? For instance, one of the things that has been the major force behind XRP Ripple is simply because they are financial institution which aim at providing financial services to, various organizations. All right, so you really need to look at token utility before investing into any crypto. All right, so the next thing that you need to look out for, that's the number 5 thing you need to look out for, is the community, the developers, the people who are behind the project. Okay, the team of developers and everyone that are involved. Especially this happen more if you are trading mine coins. All right, so pay detailed attention to the community, to the developer, and everyone. The number of adopters, people who make use of this crypto, the number of wallets that are holding it currently, and everything. Pay detailed attention to the community, to the force behind it, because that goes a long way to determine the market price of the coin on a very long run. Then lastly, you need to consider the narratives behind the coin. For instance, before XRP Ripple, before the court judgment was finally issued out, sometimes within the month, okay, sometimes within the month in 2023, there was a strong narrative behind it, all right? And then I actually told people in my community to buy some, as many as they could get, right? I advised them strongly to buy a whole lot of it, as many as they could get. And then you see that once the court judgment was tendered on that fateful day, okay, and then it went in favor of them, immediately the price of XRP skyrocketed to almost 100%. Yeah, about 100% increase. That is a huge amount of return on investment for somebody who did maybe $1,000, $2,000, even $1,000,000. That is a huge return on investment. Okay, so you pay detailed attention to the narratives. That is the economical situations that surrounds the coin and all that, and that particular time. All right, this also relates more to the token utility. Now, narratives works more with token utility because people want to know what is this coin doing or what will it do? What is it? What is the adoption method behind it and all of that before putting in their money. So you pay detailed attention to the narratives behind it before you invest in it. And lastly, before you buy any crypto on a daily basis, do well to check out on related crypto news that pertain to economic policies, government decisions, and regulations pertaining to crypto. Do that on a daily basis before you invest your money into any coin in order to not to lose your money because um, most likely good news, good economic policies, and good economic decision outcome result into a boom in the price of coin. And likewise, the negative news also affects the prices of coin to drop. All right. So before you buy any coin, do well to make a research on related news pertaining to cryptocurrency industry generally before buying any coin. Do well to do that, and I trust that if you can keep these rules, then you are certainly going to be profitable as a crypto trader. Whether you are a sports trader or you are a future trader or any kind of trading that you do, this rules applies to anyone. Thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that, and also like, comment, and share this video to help the community spread as fast as we can. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. God bless you.